Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox shaders not working on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The problem with RawShade. When the shader application for Roblox is not working, usually comes down to compatibility issues with the Roblox app, an outdated version of RawShade, or conflicting applications running on your PC. First, ensure that the Roblox client is completely closed. To do this, search for Task Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter to open it in the Processes tab of your Task Manager. Look for any processes related to Roblox or other apps that might interfere with game files or display overlays while you're in-game. Common examples include Steam, Adobe apps, or system maintenance tools like CCleaner. Select these processes and click in Task to stop them. Also, ensure that RawShade itself isn't running in the background. Once you've cleared any conflicting processes, head to the official RawShade website at rawshade.com and download the latest version of the RawShade installer. After downloading the installer, run it to reinstall the shaders for Roblox. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This process might take a minute or two, and it will create a new desktop shortcut for launching Roblox with RawShade. Once installation is complete, use this new shortcuts to open Roblox and check if RawShade is working. Use the key bindings you selected during the installation to toggle the shaders while in-game and verify functionality. If the problem persists, the issue might be related to the Roblox client itself. Search for Roblox in your Start menu and select Open File Location from the search results. This will take you to the location of the Roblox shortcut. Right-click the shortcut and choose Open File Location again to access the folder containing the Roblox Player Launcher exe file. Locate the Roblox Player Launcher application. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to Disable Full Screen Optimizations to prevent potential conflicts between the Roblox clients and Windows. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. In some cases, antivirus software might block RawShade from functioning correctly. To resolve this, whitelist RawShade in your antivirus application. Each antivirus program has slightly different steps for whitelisting, but you'll typically need to add the RawShade installation folder or executable to the list of excluded files. After completing all these steps, restart your PC and test Roblox with RawShade again. By now, the shaders should be functioning properly, allowing you to enjoy an enhanced visual experience in Roblox. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox shaders not working on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.